Hold your guns in the air. Hold them up high. Hold them up. Yeah.
Tell me what do I do?
Nigga, if you die before I do, or if I die before you do, gunplay, torch, I got your kids, my nigga.
Don't worry.
That's a promise. You feel me? Now I pray it's vice versa. One, another day, another lesson. I used to stay from the message. Now I sit and pray for a blessing. I went from cruising along to viewing two of my homes in a funeral home at once. Weed and Hennessy will get me through the night. It ain't hard to see, I ain't living right. AK on the couch in the living room, door wide open, it's whatever, I'ma give it to him. In this day of drive-bys and phone taps, if I die, why cry? We on that. Death in prison is the only place we headed for. Couldn't get in school, say I need a better score. If you die, my nigga, just let me tell it all. I'ma set it off in the way they never saw. Retaliation is a must. Triple C, hold it down to the bus.
Tell me where do I go? Tell me what do I do?
If I die before you, know I die loyal.